Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are just going to be talking about some beauty products that you need in your life, especially with it being summer. These are like the perfect summery kind of products that you're just gonna love if you're anything like me. So I just wanted to share a few favorites. So yeah. Before we get into it, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up for me and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much if you do, just really means a lot. You get 3 videos a week, so please don't miss out. But if you want to see what my recommendations to you are, just beauty products that I think you need, then stay tuned for the rest of the video. Okay guys, so I'm not gonna go in any kind of order as usual. I am just gonna grab what I like and go from there. So like I had mentioned, this is primarily just products that I've been loving lately and have been using just a ton. And I feel like they're really good for this time of the year. And I just think that you guys would love them just as much. So that's really all this is. So a lot of these products are new. Some may be repeats from like other videos that I've done. So if they're repeats, that just goes to show how much I am freaking obsessed with them. So I take that as a good thing, but yeah. Anyways, we could just get started. So the first product, this color correcting, it's like a color correcting concealer almost, from NARS. It's the Radiant Creamy Color Corrector. This is in the shade medium. Of course, they have different shades depending on your skin tone and your needs and everything. This is a godsend, you guys, for if you have like any darkness under your eyes, like dark circles or bags, whatever you want to call it. This is amazing for that. Every time I use this, I feel like my dark circles under my eyes just like disappear and I feel like $1,000,000. So I've been using this like crazy, and especially after having my nose job. As you guys know, if you've been with me for a little bit, or at least in the last like month or so, you know, a lot of my videos I've had like bruising under my eyes, and like once that bruising went away, for some reason I still have like dark circles under my eyes. Like it's not a bruise anymore, or at least not what I would classify as a bruise, but now it just looks like I have like bags under my eyes. So I've been putting this on when I do makeup like this, and it helps so much. Like I feel like it really just covers that up and it makes my concealer just that much brighter. So this is so helpful, especially when you have like a special event to go to, and if you're like tired or something and it's showing, this will cover it right up. So I love this product and I cannot get enough of it. Next up is a mascara. Like I said, this is really not in any kind of order, but I feel like every girl needs a good mascara that is just foolproof and never lets them down. Mine was Benefit Roller Lash for the longest, and that still is my like day-to-day makeup or mascara. But this one, it is the Fenty Beauty Hella Thick Volumizing Mascara. You guys, once I tried this, like nothing else is the same to me. Like literally, this has just changed the mascara game for me completely. And Roller Lash has been my ride or die for I don't even know how many years. Like I've tried a lot of mascaras and nothing ever compared to that. This blew it out of the water. Like especially if you're like going out somewhere and you want like a full lash look, this will do that every time. Like I'm wearing it right now. I feel like every time I wear this, I do not need lashes or anything because it gives me so much thickness, length, volume, like everything that you're looking for out of a mascara. And it is dark, you guys. Like this gives you such definition in your eyelashes. It is insane. Like I literally cannot stop using this, and this is one that I will never let myself run out of, so had to put it in there. Next, this product I legit just tried, but I was so obsessed with it that I just could not put it in the video. I'm wearing it on my cheeks right now. I did put another powder on top of it, but this is the new NARS Afterglow Liquid Blush in Orgasm. I literally just tried this, you guys, but I am full on obsessed with it. Like this stuff is absolutely amazing. Like, this just gives you the most beautiful flush of color on your cheeks. It looks so natural, yet it's like so pigmented at the same time. Like, it's a light to medium-ish coverage. It's the perfect peachy pink. You can blend it right in with your fingers and it looks airbrushed, like perfect. I'm just literally obsessed. Like, I cannot get enough of this. I want to go get this in like 5 more shades because there's only 6, so I want to get the other 5 because it is that good. Like, it is beautiful. I feel like my cheeks are looking so flawless and it just feels so good. It's supposed to be like 8-hour hydration as well, so there's like a lot of benefits to this. I'm just obsessed, and this packaging I recommend. Sorry, I'm like not feeling my hair right now. I feel like I look a little crazy. But anyways, next is the Drunk Elephant D-BRONZI Anti-Pollution Sunshine Drops, and I've definitely talked about this one before, but I will talk about it time and time again because this is the ultimate. Like, if you don't want to wear makeup, you can mix this with your sunscreen to just like dilute it a little bit, and it gives you just the most beautiful like tanned look, especially if you're someone like me whose self-tan on their face comes off a lot quicker than their body. This will fix that right up. It'll give you just the perfect like tanned face, and it's amazing. Like, I love this stuff so much. Like I said, just mixing it in with a SPF and you're good for the day. Like, you don't need foundation or anything. You could put on just like a product like this on your cheeks, little mascara, and you're good to go. It is amazing. And then next up, I had to put some kind of a foundation in here. This is the new Too Faced Born This Way Healthy Glow SPF 30 Moisturizing Skin Tint. I feel like for the summertime, you need a good skin tint that has SPF in it, and this is SPF 30, which is pretty great. I feel like they're usually like SPF 20, so you get a little extra care in there for you, but this is amazing. I'm wearing it right now. I feel like I could totally wear this to like an event. Like, I feel like I could wear this to a wedding and I would just love my makeup because this makes me look so airbrushed and my skin just feels so good. Other makeup just sits on top of it so beautifully. It just works so well with everything. You can like shear it down to make it like a no makeup kind of thing. You can build it up to make it like a fuller kind of look. I just did 1 layer of this. It gives me medium coverage, but I look perfect. Like, my skin looks airbrushed and I love it so much. I love the packaging because it's so travel friendly. Classic Too Faced Born This Way. That's like one of those foundations that you just cannot go wrong with, and they turned it into a tinted moisturizer, so I am here for it. I love this stuff. I highly recommend. By the way, I don't know the prices of all of these products off the top of my head, but they're all going to be linked in the description box if you do want to see like where they're priced. I'll have links to them, all that in the description. But then next up, I know I mentioned this one before, it is the Givenchy PRISME LIBRE powder. It's a setting powder, and I have this in the shade 3 Viole Rose. I saw this on TikTok and like people were putting it just under their eyes. This just ties the rest of your makeup look together so perfectly, you guys. Like, it gives just like the tiniest tint of pink, but for whatever reason that just does magic to your under eyes, and when you put blush on top, like, oh, stunning, flawless. I will never not use this in my life again because my makeup has totally changed since I started using this. I get no creasiness or no crepiness under my eyes when I use this. It just literally looks airbrushed. I feel like it makes my pores just disappear. Like, everything about this has changed my life for the better. So I highly recommend. It is a little bit on the pricier side, but a little goes a long way, and it is so beyond worth it. Next up is a new blush from Patrick Ta, or I guess it's not new, it's just new to me. It's the Double Take Cream and Powder Blush, and I have this in the shade She's Blushing. You guys know this is not the kind of blush shade that I typically go for, but I'm literally obsessed with this stuff. Like, it is a kind of like a deeper mauve-y pink kind of blush. It's so natural looking on the face. Like, I feel like this is perfect if you want to go for a very like neutral kind of makeup look, but with like a little pop of something. Like, I don't know how to even explain what this color is, but it's beautiful. I love doing the cream and then I'll do the powder on top, and it just gives me such a beautiful makeup look. Works so amazingly with other makeup products. Just everything about this is amazing, and it's a 2-in-1. Like, you get 2 products for 1, so obviously this is amazing for travel if you want a cream and a powder. They have different shades if this is not your kind of shade. I didn't think it was my kind of shade, but it definitely is now, and I am just obsessed. Another one that is perfect for the summer and really just year-round, because I feel like this is a very universal color. So highly, highly recommend. And then 2 products left. So this one is an oldie, but it will be like a forever love of mine. I'm honestly probably gonna use this at my wedding. I was just thinking that when I put it on my face before I filmed. This is the Chanel Lace Beiges Healthy Glow Bronzing Cream. This is in the shade Universal. The only problem I have with this is the lack of shade range that it has. I feel like they really, really need to come out with more shades. They just came out with one that was a little bit deeper than this, so I want to get that and try it out, but they still need more of a variety. Do you know what I mean? But Universal works for me, and it looks absolutely stunning on me. I feel like every time I try another cream bronzer that I fall in love with, I kind of forget about this, but then when I try it again, I'm like, what was I doing before? Like, this just does something totally different for me than any other cream bronzer or anything. Like, I don't know what they put in here, but it is literally magic. Like, nothing bronzes up my cheeks like this does, and it just, like, the look that this gives me is unlike any other. Like, it's like the perfect amount without being too much, without being too little. It blends to perfection. It is just the perfect shade of a bronzer. Like, everything about this I am in love with. So I highly, highly recommend. This is another one that's a little bit on the pricier side, but it is so, so worth it, you guys. And then last but not least, we have the new Dior Forever Natural Bronze. I have this in the shade 5, Warm Bronze. This is all I've been using powder-wise to bronze my face lately because I am just absolutely obsessed. And I just recently did a video comparing this to the NARS Laguna. NARS Laguna was the winner to me in that video, just like comparing the two, but I still cannot stop grabbing for this. Like, I grab for this more than that. I grab for this more than any other bronzer. Like, this is just having a moment in my collection. And I literally cannot get enough of it, you guys. Like, I'm obsessed with this stuff. Like, I literally want to put this on before I go to bed because I just love how it looks. Like, obviously I'm wearing it right now. It's just, again, the perfect shade of a bronzer. It's not super glowy, so it gives you that nice, like, not matted, but like a natural kind of glow to you. It's just so creamy. It blends so beautifully. It feels so good. It looks so good. It lasts forever. Like, I just love it. And the packaging stole my heart because this is so adorable. It's like a little cushion. It looks so luxurious. It feels so luxurious. I'm just in love with it. So that is it, you guys. That's all the products that I am highly, highly recommending that I really, really think you guys need in your collection. These are all like staples for me at this point. Like, I am in love, and I really think that all of these are perfect, especially for the summertime. Like, you could get a lot out of these, especially in the summer, whether you want like a no makeup look, whether you want like a very, very full glam kind of look. Like, all of these products will be good for all of those things. So that is it for today. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment and let me know what you guys think about the products that I picked. Let me know if there are any other products that you guys want me to try. I'm always open to suggestions. Give this video a big thumbs up for me, and please subscribe to the channel. But stay tuned, and I will see you guys in the next video.